R&B squad. What's going in? Translation for all who are ask what's going in mean. It mean what's up? Basically that. But as you can see by the title, guys, me I risk my life for this order. Me I go act like me upset, say my ex pregnant. As you can see by the last ex video me do, me get slapped on my face and it never feel good. And this time I go try to hide my face, but guys, oh my god. I want them to feel that, you know, so I want them to feel that they prank you do big woman thing. But anyways guys, I'm gonna do it for you. You me at that, I'm gonna do it for you. Come on, we know so no one see how Bree are gonna react with that one. I'm not sure, but I'm gonna do it for you. Alright? So big up all of my dear ones them, all of my commenter who always a job comment them in the box. Big up on yourself. Yeah man, you me attack and thanks for supporting the channel. And if you're new, welcome to R&B Lovebird. If you're interested in seeing my girlfriend kill me, please stick around. But honestly don't make me oh my god. Yo, me still make up my mind to do the prank, you know. That's all. Alright, I gotta do it. But guys, they don't know who killed me. And remember to watch that. Please. Just watch that. Alright? After the intro, Suko.
It's not like a kid, no lie.
Me take one man.
Which one I take?
All the it's a fish tea.
Why do you fish tea?
No fish tea,
Idiot.
What do you call it?
That's a fun, right?
Here, take my card.
A fish tea, what do you call it?
Fish
Take
oil.
a random fish oil. Why not cold one? I say no be easy in cold.
I'm not doing this. I'm too hot, I'm not.
You're not too hot and you're not too cold. So we have to put on the mountain. In here. Oh. In here. In here. Oh. 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 Ooh. You hear that? You hear that? How is it, dude?
Right. Listen, I just didn't want to sleep, call me. You might not say, oh, man, stay up and watch show. I can't turn up for work.
How would you tell me stay up
I said, you know, when we go, I want to go ahead and do it now. When I do work, I can't really drink the color.
You know, say, you can't keep up, man.
You know what I'm sure this me?
No, so.
I was trying to reach. See, episode 9.
Oh.
I actually got to run.
Yeah, what I read the first one?
It's a pleasure meeting.
I'm just on accept where it is. I'm going to do something. So, you ready?
Yeah.
You need anything? Feel alright?
I'm psychic.
I'm psychic. I'm super good. So good. Mirati chocolate. Eh? No, sir, this can't right. This can't right. This can't right. Hush. This can't right. Me mom.
What's that?
Me bombard star. No, sir. No, sir. What on?
What's it?
What on? Bombard star. No, sir.
What with me?
No, sir. It's can't right.
What
It's can't right. It's can't right. It's can't right. It's can't right.
Miss Slappy, what me?
It's can't right.
What?
It's can't right.
You can tell me, you're not telling me.
Bombard star.
Come and see phone now. I want money.
No, bunny phone. This can't right. This can't right.
What? Wapen. Awa. You didn't hear me and talk to you. Come on, do something. I don't know why.
You bum Bree. You idiot.
Tell me, ask you what happened how long.
So we halik me for?
So what happened? Yeah, make me get nervous.
No.
What's it?
No.
What happened? No, this can't be nothing. What happened?
You hang.
What happened?
You hang. I
What
kill me.
happened?
Kill me.
You have to know what happened before we kill. What happened, Bree? What
Let
happened?
me tell you about something unreal. You can't believe.
So what?
You can't believe.
So what?
You can't
What
believe that.
is?
No, you can't believe. Say, my ex-girlfriend Bree, boy, like she's pregnant.
And
Me bomba.
that you're going to over?
Me bomba.
And that you're going to over?
But I won't feel breed.
I fear blood clot business that I really are going to over. No man. It touched you. I'm gonna get that just
Can't be saying girl breed.
So why if a girl I breathe, no fame hole, no fame man, no fame crutches, no fame belly. Put on your phone and move from front.
Calm down.
Are you if you calm down, cause it's not no fucking sense. You're an idiot.
Calm down.
Don't tell me if you calm down, slap you. Move.
Calm down. You play my brain a little bit.
Wait to play with the
Let's
brain.
be with me, play my brain.
Wait to play with the brain for.
Just
Not touch.
be.
Do
Just
not
understand now.
Understand what?
I don't think you understand.
I don't need to understand. Because if I ever understand, I kill you. So make me understand. Come on, kill. Come on, now we are going to talk.
You can't watch the show?
Go and go watch the show.
Can we watch the show?
I'm not
Never
watching
mind,
the
just-
show with you.
Never mind. Let's forget to me say this. Can you forget about
Yeah,
it?
man. I forget.
So come and watch the show. Bree.
Don't touch me now.
Bree.
Don't touch me now.
Yo, you love licks, brother.
Don't touch me now.
You love lick too
Like,
much,
come and say
brother.
you fucking idiot. You idiot.
Relax,
You
brother.
idiot.
Just forget to me
You
say.
idiot.
Can I full question that I ask you?
You are idiot.
Can we watch the show?
Go and watch the show.
So we can lie down with you?
I mean, why you not with me? Go on the floor.
We didn't go on the floor.
You know what you could do? Tell her about it. Oh, or better yet.
We just stop.
Or better yet.
Just forget to me
Or better
say.
yet.
Forget to me
Go
say.
adopt the child.
Jesus Christ Almighty God. What me I do with that next one child?
I don't want to.
Fucking girl, breed.
You want to repeat that again? You want to repeat that again? You want to repeat that again? Alright.
Tell me, can I lie down?
No.
I'm being rotted.
I'm lying on the floor.
Breed, sit down.
Because I can never marry you there. I could never marry you there and I could never marry you in there. So I feel a way say, one next girl I breed. For what reason?
Just, you can't forget to me say.
For what reason?
It just come out loud, like if it in my brain, or it just come out loud. And I hear it, just forget about it. She don't breathe, and she gone through the gate, and
Our.
party park car.
Wait,
and it
I'm
come.
asking a question. So, you know what? So is it a case where you did plan to go back to her so you can have kids?
Hey, you could have a few questions to ask.
No, I must
Why would
I must
why
that.
would I want?
I must
Why
that.
would I want to go back to her?
It look like you want to go back.
Why would I
Why
want to
make
go
it
back?
hurt her so much? Why hurt her so much?
It not hurt me.
You know, right there?
No.
Oh. I believe you. Man, move from me with that fucking move.
You can't forget to me, see?
Just
Come here.
don't touch me.
Come with it. Just relax now.
Don't touch me now.
Just relax. Calm down.
Go on, go touch
Yeah,
your
you can't just watch the show.
Go text your ex-girlfriend.
It just come out
Go
loud.
and touch your ex-girlfriend that is fucking pregnant. Go and touch it. Man, why you touch me?
Why so violent?
I don't
Why
want
you not trying
you
to understand?
understand what? Why not that man move from before me disrespect you? You hear me I tell you?
So why you not?
Move from it.
Listen, just try and listen. It's just a
I
myth.
don't want you to know.
But tell us, you love lick
Me
too much,
don't
you know.
want to hear nothing.
Everything you want,
I
everything.
don't want to hear anything.
Everything you want.
Me don't want to hear.
Listen.
Don't touch me.
Everything you want.
Don't touch
Relax,
me.
the man.
Do not touch me.
We can't go lie down.
No.
Me want to lie down.
Go lie down with the ex-girlfriend.
Me want to lie
Go lie
down.
down with the ex-girlfriend.
She never breathe me out lie down with him, fam. We tell her say he just come out loud.
Me no business.
Yo, listen, man. Go over there. Let's go over a little bit, no, Bree. Let me come over this. Seriously? Seriously? I seriously just open up in my bed, so? So what make you sleeping?
Wrong. Are your ex-girlfriend, yeah.
Go on, I just come. I just listen. He just need to come out the way. He could come out wrong.
Okay.
So it look a weird, but I'm not sorry. And how you think he look and not so he look. Me just, you know, just relax. Just understand me.
Move!
Please, just relax. I'm just lie down. I'm just watch the show. Let's forget
You know what?
Please.
No show with you. Move. Move.
Please. Let's forget him.
Move. Move.
Oh, you hurt me. Not me. Want me. I hope me see. Me ne want hurt. Me ne want.
I don't want to.
Mommy talk. Listen.
What's your voice?
Listen.
Come first of all, you come and say, come kiss me if I'm not going to raise a voice at me.
And I raise my
Don't
voice.
touch me.
And I raise my voice. Me name if you hurt a feeling. Hush, listen. Me name if you hurt your feelings. Listen, it does come out wrong. And I say, how you think it I know so you go.
I don't want to hear it, okay.
But you hurt your own feelings and I know so you
Me,
go.
I hurt my feelings?
Yes.
Me?
Relax, me.
Alright, now me done now? No, you're not free, man.
So we can go on this line?
Yes, go along. No.
But I mash up the laptop, my
I
girl.
want to mash up.
So we can lie down this way.
Move.
So what do you want me lie down then? Me tell you something not sorry, so
Me not tell you something I want to hear. Me not tell you.
So what? You want me to go on the road then?
Yes, go along.
Go do what?
Okay, you look like
So
you're
put me
there.
not come back.
So I should not come
Me
back.
tell you see you think something wrong with
And
you hurt your own feelings.
you're hurt over people belly. Me.
It's just that ex and she was pregnant. I mean just can't
Yeah.
believe it's just being a denial, just look that understand no?
Why are you in denial? Why are you in denial?
I don't know.
Okay.
You can't feel it and say it.
Yeah, man, forget, man.
Very cool. Thank you.
Move, man, that stop touch my sheet. Move, man, stop
So
touch
say
my
good night,
sheet.
baby,
Yeah,
I
that's
don't
what
know.
me said, told me you want to say. Me said good. But move.
Just let me breathe. Me tell you say no. Breathe, just listen.
Me can't tell you something, I don't want to hear this again.
Listen.
You want me to tell you something, I don't want to hear
Listen.
this.
Just listen. Listen, me tell you say you love licking on you. You love lick too much.
Read my lips. Me no. Why? You're no.
You love lick too much and if me lift up my hand and you me a wicked.
She texted me. She said I want maternity photo shoot.
Oh, what? Wait, just relax. And just feel the show, please. Play the show now. Bree, come here.
No,
Ah! Bree!
don't
Come here now.
don't
Come here. Come here.
no.
Come here, me say something to you.
Me don't want to hear nothing.
Just when me say something to you now. Just one something once.
Me don't want to hear nothing.
Me guarantee say I love you better. Pause the show. Pause the show. Pause the show. Pause the show.
What?
Pause the show. Just come here now. Come here. Come here. Jesus Christ. Why you so hostile? You can't just listen to what me have to say.
I don't want to hear one.
You just come over from 0 to 100.
So, wait, how you expect me to move?
So where you want to go? Where you want to go?
What ya?
Where you want to go? Go to the lie down, miss. Where you going, man? Go and lie down. Me tell you. Come here, no. Just listen to what me have to say now. But tell you say don't fight too much, you know, my girl.
Stop making me fight then. Stop.
Yeah, take this thing the wrong way.
Okay.
And I say that baby choose you. If me just how I go misunderstand you, I say that baby.
I mean tell us I'm not do me.
See you don't want to listen to what me have to say.
Some me not tell us if you say it how long me there yes I will.
But me tell you say come lie down with
But me
me.
not have to lie down for you tell me what you tell me.
Babe, it's just a prank.
What prank?
This is just a prank.
This what?
The whole thing. The camera they up the sound. Then I say you wanna we not talk about this?
Talk about
See if nothing happen we talk it over.
so no, me not tell him to come
But
over
me tell
talk
her to
about.
come. Now tell us it. Guys, we got her good, but me couldn't get her to come back down. But so where I hide for? Where I hide for? Where I hide for? Watch out. It's a team rig. It's a team rig now. Guys. If you enjoyed that video, guys, please remember to like, share, comment, and just subscribe to the channel there. So, me I forgot to try makes you feel better. Calm her down because she kind of upset with me right now. So, me I forgot to guys. But anyways, please support the channel and share to a friend. Until next time. Peace.